Hello, today I am going to introduce one of my most prized possessions, the AQUILA KA-15S Mahogany Soprano Ukulele. This is in their classic style, and as you can see, it is beautiful. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is a ukulele, which is a musical instrument, and it is such a fun instrument. What I like to do is, well, I play it all the time, but I play it when I'm on my, by myself, on my own, but I also like to bring it to gatherings and sit around in a circle and play it, and I'm that person that sits there and strums my ukulele and sings songs. It's just such a great instrument. Now, mine is a little bit out of tune right now because when you don't play it for like a few weeks, sometimes it gets a little out of tune. And I recently injured my hand, so I have not been practicing. So I cannot play my ukulele right now, which is killing me inside. But it's a great instrument to talk about. So it's really easy to play. When you learn the first 4 chords, you can play so many songs. It's really not complicated. Basically, it's a mahogany body and neck. Just the neck here. And I had always wanted to learn how to play the ukulele, and I kept saying, I want a ukulele. So for Christmas, my boyfriend, the gem that he is, got me a ukulele. I don't know if it was because he just wanted to make me happy or if he was tired of hearing me talk about how I wanted one. But maybe both. I was so excited when I got it, and I've been really careful with it. So I have kept it on my shelf a lot these past few weeks with my arm healing, but I can say that it is really high quality. Like, if you just see the wood, it does not dent or anything like that, which I've noticed a lot of other instruments doing, especially something as fragile and lightweight as the ukulele. And this is just a really nice one. I like the deep color, the mahogany. And it has 12 brass frets with the fret position marks at 5th, 7th, and 10th. So on the neck here, as you can see, those are the marks there. And this is the fingerboard here. So the Rosewood fingerboard, that's what it's made of, and bridge here, as you can see, this area right here. So it's got this beautiful contrast with the wood, and then the basic strings. It's pre-strung, so when I got it, it was already strung. And the strings are AQUILA NYLGUT. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but those are the types of strings, and they're premium strings, very high quality, very common for when you get a ukulele. You can change them out, obviously you can unwind them, but that is a whole ordeal that I am not ready for right now. It is such a beautiful design. You have this little engravement here, and I can feel it. It's not just drawn on there, so that's nice. And inside, as you can see, there's the KA right there. The label is still in there. It's a Satin Finish and Geared tuners. So over here, these are the tuners. So you can tighten and loosen the strings. And so I am self-taught. I've been teaching myself how to play these chords. But like I said, ukuleles are a great instrument to start with. So easy to learn. You learn 4 chords and you can play so many different songs. And if I start playing, I will never stop. Although I wish I could start playing. It is definitely a great gift idea. The KA company is known for its high quality instruments, and it's based in California. Some very smooth finish here, and I would definitely look into their instruments. When I was looking up ukuleles myself before I got this, I was looking into KA So I'm really happy I got one. They have just these beautiful instruments, and they really specialize in this type of stuff, in ukuleles, and their products are amazing, so check them out. Thank you so much for watching.